Hi guys, John Mar here. Welcome to my channel.
So what's up guys, this is my Mekos bitter gourd guys, ampalaya bitter gourd. Ayan guys, tornado na yan guys. Ayan mga insan, Mekos na yan mga insan. Fish sauce, Mekos na mga titas, mga insan. Fish sauce or patis sauce. Broth cubes guys. Hot dogs. Yan. Mekos na yan mga pinsan. Mekos na yan mga titas. Bitter gourd alacon hotdog. Mekos na guys. Tikman natin guys. Ang pakla guys. Hehe, sobrang pakla. Pero masarap. Yum guys. Yan po ang aking lunch for today guys. So please subscribe and like. Please do not skip the ads guys. See you. Kita-kits again. Okay guys, sandok na tayo guys. Yes. Yan ang bitter gourd. Ampalaya. Kainin po, huwag ugaliin ang ampalaya. Huwag po maging ampalaya. Kainin po ang ampalaya, huwag pong gawing asal. Alright. Lunch time guys. Rice is life. Yan po ang Asian. Laging may rice. Let's go guys. Let's eat our lunch guys.